everyone, Kat here with a brand new card to show you. As you can see, it has some floral detail and cardstock with ribbon on the front, but inside we have a 3D pop-up house. Home Sweet Home. This is a great card for anyone buying their first home, moving into a new home, or simply coming home. It folds completely flat for mailing, so the 3D aspect is a complete surprise when the recipient opens the card. This could be redesigned for a different kind of building, but this is the one I did for now.